Welcome to the exciting world of vlogging. Ever wondered how those vloggers you admire manage to keep you glued to their videos? Want to film and edit like a pro? Well, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets of creating engaging vlogs that captivate viewers and leave them wanting more. From finding your unique idea to putting it all together, we'll guide you step by step on this thrilling journey. So, without further ado, let's dive right in, shall we? Ever thought about diving into the vlogging world? Well, strap in, because we're about to take you on a wild ride through the ins and outs of vlogging. And trust us, it's not as scary as it sounds. The first thing you need to do is think about your secret sauce, your unique, engaging idea that will captivate viewers. Is it a travel adventure, a cooking experiment, or maybe a day in your life? Once your secret sauce is ready, it's time to draw your treasure map. This is your rough storyboard where you note down the key sequences you want to capture. And finally, remember, it's like a sandwich. You need all the parts to make it delicious. This means your vlog needs a clear beginning, middle, and end. Storytelling is king, so make sure your vlog has these three crucial parts. And don't forget the secret sauce. Now let's talk about the filming. And you don't need a Hollywood budget for this. To kick things off, grab your smartphone. Yes, your phone is more than just a texting machine. A decent smartphone camera positioned at eye level will give you a personal and engaging shot. Next, ensure your camera is stable. Shaky footage is only cool in horror movies. You can either hold it firmly in your hand or place it on a tripod. Lighting is also a crucial element of your vlog. Unless you're filming a noir film, light is your best friend. Aim to film in natural light, but if that's not possible, indoor lighting can work too. Just ensure your face is well lit and clear. To wrap it up, remember that good audio quality can make or break your vlog. Speak clearly and directly into the camera, and no, mumbling is not a language. Once you've got your footage, it's time to put on your editing hat. This is the point where you add an extra layer of finesse to make your vlog sparkle. First step is to choose the right editing software. No, Mississippi Paint won't do. You have a plethora of options to select from. Cut out any unnecessary footage and keep the best bits is the second step. Think of it as a highlight reel of your day. Always be sure to keep the pace brisk but rushed. The third step is to enhance your vlog with music, text, and graphics. It's like adding sprinkles to your ice cream. But be careful, these additions should complement your vlog, not overpower it. The final step is color grading. Adjust the brightness, contrast, and saturation to give your vlog a unique visual style. And remember, sepia is not a color scheme. So to recap, here are the key steps to filming and editing a vlog. 1. Start with a unique concept and plan your vlog. Remember the secret sauce? 2. Film with good lighting and audio, using a stable camera positioned at eye level. And please, no duck faces. 3. Edit your footage to keep the pace brisk, adding music, text, and graphics as needed. Sprinkles, remember? Remember, practice makes perfect. Each vlog you create is a learning experience. So don't be afraid to experiment, take risks, and most importantly, have fun with it. The world of vlogging is wide open and it's waiting for you to make your mark. So grab that camera, start filming, and let your creativity shine. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Because let's face it, we all love a little validation.